that is the fourth vision, because technology will increase. And that was seen also by Daniel. Daniel said in the last day, the end time, yes, what is the end time? What knowledge will increase? You understand? What knowledge will increase, but the people will become weak. Why do people become weak? We have knowledge everywhere, internet, phone, but why are the people weak? They are weak because of the food we eat makes us weak. Amen. We ask you to look at the soul back in the days who boxing. They could have fight 30 rounds, up to 100 rounds in the boxing. And guess what? They did not put Lama for the mataf. Daddy boxing, they were shining saw, right straight saw. Bashana is the blue eye very in. I would develop a mataf. Mama Tata Masibis who cook on us Nezim, Bafage on the top. Back in the days, they were Babasha. And you know how did they sleep? Back in the days, they will take their arms by Fage vinegar. Did you know when you put your arms in the vinegar, it becomes strong? Now I shaman tabuga same time because something is higher. That's how they used to sleep. I'm boxing waktan. They will sleep in the vinegar for almost the whole day. Now ringing, shine dot tabu hatum shine amur. Can't is the hands of the vinegar. But now, no shine dot one. Uchigana says better about to unconscious fluttering on the why. The food we eat make us weak. Amen. And he prophesied again. What did you know that in the age to come that we're living in, that the axe will be dangerous to us? I mean, but did you know the prophecy went out that the axe in the times to come, many people will die because of the axe, and the prophet says something will be done to the axe. What is going to kill them more? And did you see? And not to say it's wrong when you have a business of X. If you have it, God bless it. But did you see how it's running quick? So they know it is running quick. So they will do something to the X, and it will cost many people's death. I told you I love McDonald's. But ask yourself, billion and billion of people, almost every day they eat meat from McDonald's. We don't have cows like that. It's because of these cows are manufactured. You're eating poison, you are dying people. It's artificial. Are we going to McDonald's? It's nothing wrong. I love McDonald's. But what you don't understand, the chemicals that are in there. Because you know why? The mission is one. Kill all the black people. Because they are a troublemaker. Now, this one comes also from who's this guy? Oh, what's his name? Bill Gates. Where they said it, they said we must kill at least 3 billion people. We must start in Africa, kill them. And one guy said the Africans, they don't know why they're living. So Lalela, you are happy that food comes from overseas. What they transport to you, it's killing you. Why? Mama, it doesn't make sense. They sell us seeds that are original, but the seeds were coming from us. So what they bring to us, it's artificial, with artificial intelligence. They take the original. Did you know? I was in Limpopo. You know, did you know what the first grade is shipped overseas? Second grade, third grade, fourth grade, they bring it unto you. When you figure out, go fresh, hey, go fresh, it's over. See, when I'm left over. And guess what? Our government signs these entities. As long as they get money, they don't care. We are a dying people. We can't even thank you, sister. In fact, let me tell you. Thank you for that point. Before, there was a time where they tried Uncle Sam, the Englishman, the KKKs. One day I'll preach about that. The KKKs, when they lynched the people according to Willie Lynch, there was a time when something was made, and it was made to kill the black man. What they do, they will crush his privacy, and the eggs were crushed because the white man was afraid that the black man is reproducing in multiplication. So they tried by all means to kill the black man. The more they try to kill the black man, is the more God allowed to rise. Why? Because we are unkillable. You kill one, 20,000 will stand in the stead of one. Because they saw that you black people. I'll preach about this. You remember when I preached ngathi bebayenza izicathulo with the skin sabantu. They made bag, ama-bag la unaphathayo. Bebayenza during slavery. Bebayenza ama-bag ngeskin sabantu ubone namehlo abantu abaphilayo. During that time, that's what they've done. Your shoes, your bag, ama-bunch, they killed humans and they took the skin and they made clothes. It's more tougher than what you can think. You see, a black man, whether it's a woman, is a threat wherever she or he goes. That's why ngiyalimala ngibona abusisi bami bahle bamnyama bableach skin, bableach yonke lento. White people want to be black like you, while you want to be white like them. And they know ukuthi wena you've got melanin, something strong. It is a shame when a black woman will bleach, but then I'm a bleach, and they bleach them like the hairstyle. But they don't know what was limaza. You have something powerful that you don't know. That is a message for another day. Amen.